Start flanking. Papasok na to ah. May DPS, flank na, flank.
Sa west side.
Pwede na, start catching yun ah. Start catching. Start catching. Yung nasa likod. Umikot kayo, men. Umikot kayo. Yeah, okay, na-stuck. They're stuck. Ayan, pabro dito, na-stuck sila, men. Sige, nasa-stuck sila. Use your E, men. Use your E. Sige. Labas. Go out. Ayan, facing. Okay, go out, men. Go out. Super bad. They're super bad. Go out. Yeah. Go out, man. Wala nang HP. Wala nang HP. Southwest sila, men. Hindi pa mag-engage pa yan. Southwest. Mag-engage pa si Mugi. Wait lang, mag-engage yan. Lumalakas isang direksyon. Mag-engage. Mag-engage. Ayan na. Madali lang. Southwest, men. Southwest. Ang daming southwest. Ang daming go Shay southwest. Montap yung iba. Ang daming DPS pa dito. Southwest, montap yung iba. Ito mga DPS, southwest. Montap yung iba. Mount up.
9M sa amin, oh. Southwest, oh.
9M daw. Mount up.
Sige, sige, boss, to. Dito yung nasa atin,
Yung
7-3 to.
yung blood letter, hanapin nyo. Puchi.
On ping.
7-3, oh.
Sige, kami.
Kaping nga ulit, sorry.
Ito, on ping.
On ping.
Mostly
On ping.
Ginawang map.
Southwest, guys. Going southwest, exit.
Papalag yung kay Kish.